Assembly of the microcomputer fully automated table tennis robot is very easy and requires no tools. Following these simple steps, it can be assembled within 5 minutes. First, double check the equipment. Robot body, remote control, power cord, 1 VCD disc, instruction manual, 3 3A batteries, 3 bottom pads. Robot assembly includes 6 steps. 1. Remove robot from box. Place on table with its back facing you. 2. Remove the curved tubes from either side of the support stand base. Insert into straight metal tube. 3. Separately lift upward the left and right side ball collection pans, gently set down. 4. Remove and then open the left and right curved tubes. Place in appropriate bottom pad depending upon the table thickness. Lift up the robot assembly. Align front clamp with center line. Clamp plate goes on table top with the metal tube going underneath the table. Plug one end of the power cord into robot unit. Plug other end into AC power supply. This completes the installation process. Now you can use the remote control to set up the various functions and commence play. Disassembly of the robot takes only 2 minutes as shown below. 1. Unplug AC power supply. 2. Place both hands on either side of the base, lift robot up slightly and pull backward. Set on table and place ping pong balls from collection pans into base unit. From within the groove on either side, pull out ball plate and insert. This prevents balls from falling out. 3. Gently lift up one of the ball collection pans and return original position. Repeat with second pan. 4. Remove the left and right curved tubes from straight tube and insert in holes on either side of the support stand. 5. After the robot has been disassembled, place all spare components in the base. Disassembly is complete.